We're gonna check out the 5560. Look at that. Nice precision. Let's see what's included. Power cord, instructions, power module, and Type-C USB adapter with USB and HDMI and a hidden USB Type-C. It's not bad. Look at the little mini camera there. Really small. Microphones on the top. Testing 1, 2, 3. Quality, camera quality. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. The fuzzy on it, but shiny head. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Keyboard. Big touchpad. Fingerprint reader and power on here. Let's take out underneath the hood and see what you get underneath. 2 NVMe drives, memory, GPU, CPU, 86 watts battery.
So the system is equipped with 2 fans. They suck in air to the bottom. And of course, you can always replace the thermal paste by removing all these screws around the area. Now, just to make sure, you could replace the memory. Easy. And you could rate the actual 2 NVMe's if you want to. That's an option if you can do that. But right now, currently, we only have 1.
Plug this in. Here. Plug in the USB. There we go. Plug it in. Shows up in there. It's the video card, NVMe.